Welcome to WUH Creator. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to uninstall unwanted apps or software from your PC step by step. First, simply double-click on this PC on your desktop. At the top, click on the Computer tab. Now, at the end, you'll see an option called Uninstall or Change a Program. Click on it. A new window will open showing all the programs installed on your computer. Find the app you want to uninstall. You can search for it in the list. Once you find it, click on it. Then click Uninstall. Now, click Yes, and again confirm by clicking Yes when prompted. The uninstallation process will begin. Wait until it's completed. Once done, you'll see a notification that the software has been successfully removed. And that's it. This is how you can easily uninstall any software from your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WUH Creator for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.